In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect N8N to Google Docs. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very straightforward way of setting up your Google account and importing any documents that you have made to N8N. This will allow you to use them for certain actions by connecting them with different nodes. So the most straightforward way to do this is to choose the option to add a new node. So click the plus sign, and now on the search function, look for Google. So when you search for nodes and you input the word Google, you will find a lot of Google services, including Google Docs. So look for Google or Docs specifically. Once you choose this option, you will be able to see all of the actions referring to Google Docs. You will notice that in this example here, I have Google Calendar, but don't worry, this is also going to work flawlessly for Docs. So when you choose any event available there, the very first thing that you will see at the top is going to be credential to connect with. This is the most important thing because in here you can set up your Google account. So if you already have an account connected, just choose it from the list. But if you have yet to connect an account, then after opening the drop-down menu, choose the plus sign here, create new credential. And you will see the option to sign in using your Google account. By signing in with Google, everything from the service will be imported, including, of course, Google Docs. So sign in to your account, read through all of the permissions that are going to have to be granted, and as long as you approve the connection, you can set up all of the other fields when creating that node. So you browse through all of the parameters and the settings. You will have plenty of options related to Google Docs and any of the other services. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect N8N to Google Docs. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.